Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Nitte KBL Kaun Banega Udyamapati Contest 2021. Presenting before you, iPillow.
Hi everyone. Today I am myself Dr. Lohit. I am a doctor, anesthesiologist, and she is Maleshwari from tech background. So today I am going to present my innovative device, an inflatable pillow, which I have named iPillow, for I for inflation and I for intubation. And intubation is a procedure we are called in day in and out from in emergency and ICUs. So this is a simple procedure when we need to put an endotracheal tube into the trachea of the patient to supply oxygen and anesthetic gases. One day it happened, I was called in for intubation in an emergency in casualty, and when I went to the casualty, the patient was unresponsive and patient's oxygen saturation was already 40 to 60%. 60-40%. So I had to put an endotracheal tube into the trachea and save the patient at the earliest. But the procedure turned out to be very difficult because patient was very obese. So generally when we put the scope and see, generally it should be seen like this in the first figure. But generally like 8 to 10% of the times it turns out to be very difficult, and the procedure turns out to be very difficult, and patient will land up in hypoxia and even death might happen. To overcome this problem, it is advisable to position the patient in a 45-degree inclination position called ramp position, and for this people use bed sheets, multiple pillows and various things. So we have come up with an innovative device, a single pillow which is inflatable to adjust the height of the head of the patient so that the patient is positioned optimally for intubation procedure. So you can appreciate in this video, like once the pillow is inflated, so the patient head height gets uplifted so that the visualization of the vocal cords becomes much clearer. This is a low cost, ergonomically designed, portable, lightweight, and it can be used in other ENT surgeries for positioning of the patient in ICU, for prone positioning, like in Ulta we have to position the patient in ICUs. For this also it is helpful. And the most other important thing is it can be just used as a travel pillow, and even in cervical pain, like for chronic pain, and even everybody is suffering from neck pain because of the chronic use of mobiles and work from home issues. So even for that pain it can be used as a traction. This device we have patented, and I have already got a design patent for India, and next we would like to go for commercialization. The market potential is very huge. Difficult airway industry is a $1 billion industry, and already various gadgets are there to overcome this difficult scenario. This pillow acts as adjunct for the difficult airway scenario along with all the other gadgets. And market potential is huge. In India there are around 90,000 hospitals, 90,000 ICUs and around 55,000 anesthesiologists. I would like to come up with two variants of this product, one for medical use especially for intubation, and the other for the regular travel pillow and for cervical neck pain it can be used. So I would like to thank the organizers for giving me an opportunity to present my idea.
It is a critical care product, right?
Yes sir. Critical care, anesthesia and emergency.
Is it a improvised existing product or is new one?
Sir, there are few products in the Western countries. No such product is there in India. In Western countries, there is something called Oxford pillow, which is just a 45 degrees inclined pillow, which can't be used for other things. This is a innovative.
It is a multi-purpose.
Multi-purpose, and also it is ergonomically designed and adjusting the height of each patient, and during the procedure itself we might need to alter the position of the patient. Sometimes we need head extension, sometimes we need to deflate the pillow, because once we put the scope only we know what is happening. So it is dynamic, we can say. That is the advantages of this pillow.
Do you have a full-fledged capacity to manufacture this?
We are coming up with the product for manufacturing this one. So I would like to, with the funds, I would like to go out with the manufacturing process. And
your customers are hospitals, not the patient directly, no?
Sir, we are hospitals, and other things is it can be used as general use for as a travel pillow and cervical neck pain. That is the general public.
What is the cost per unit?
Cost per, I would like to have two variants. One is for travel pill purposes, it can be charged around 1,000 rupees, and hospital purpose 2.5 to 3,000 rupees. per piece.
So can you little explain what is there in this, because I'm kind of not really getting it. I feel to be, when you say it is like a travel pillow and also use it for a critical
Care.
health care, I'm finding a huge gap here.
Sir,
And again, let me complete it. When you are saying again on the pricing, when you are saying a 1000 rupee for a travel pillows are available at 399 rupees. So when you say a product, a very critical product can be used in for a
General purpose.
it defeats it.
sir,
I am kind of not convinced on this.
I have modified a travel pillow to be inflatable, so that the utility purpose of this pillow is mainly I designed it for intubation purpose. So designing like there is no such product in India currently, so I have designed a product which can be used for intubation basically, and I would like to further do R&D for the much more robust and material wise and also auto inflation purpose. I would like to have a different component for intubation purpose actually.
Now
But the
question
same
is
product,
it a specialty product or a general product?
it is a specialty product, sir.
Dr. Lohit, congratulations for a wonderful presentation. You have chosen a very catchy name for your product. What inspired you to keep that name?
Yes, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. There is already a product which is having similar product name, so we thought it will catch the eye of the common people. So, and it also stands for I for inflation and I for inflatable. So I thought it suits the pillow name.
You
And
also
it would-
mentioned that there are similar products available in Western countries.
Yes, sir.
Have you done a thorough review on that, and then have you addressed any lacunae or limitations in them?
The ones in the Western countries are static pillow, and the one that is recently designed by an anesthesiologist from Australia. His product is also similar to us, but it is a mechanical device. It is not inflatable. So there is a lot of pressure on the cervical region, and it is not that ergonomic when compared to our product.
Now, how do you think that you compete with them, either by bringing down the price or adding more value to your product? What is your idea in that?
Sir, basically I have designed this product for intubation purpose. This one is actually a bonus add-on for our product, and also gives more comfort for them during the travel. So compared to the existing travel pillows, this will be much more comfortable during their travel journeys.
Yeah, then it's very similar to the neck pillows that we typically get in the airports and other locations.
Definitely, sir.
Right?
The same
So
thing.
then, what is that uniqueness in this? I mean, it's just that the size of the pillow is
I have
different.
made it inflatable component.
No, even that is inflatable. You
No,
do
sir.
get inflatable.
That is only little particular 1 inch or 1 inch
No,
only.
it can be any size. In fact, I have a the swimming pool, kids swimming pool, which is completely inflatable.
No, sir. Yeah, true. But this design is such that so that it increases up to 15 inches, which is the required for the intubation purpose.
Now, coming to the commercial side of it, right? How exactly you are looking at your journey ahead? Like, when do you think you are really ready to go to the market?
Sir, I want to do little product refinement so that it is more sturdier during intubation, and after that I would like to go for commercialization.
Good product, Dr. Lohit, but I'm yet to hear anything about the technology in this. You talked about the ergonomic design, that's fine, but where is the technology in this?
Sir, the technology I would like to add on to this after the modification, just auto inflatable and auto adjustable to the need of the patient's height. So that's what I want to modify this in the further steps.
See that coming back to same question I asked in the beginning, that incubation is I pillow, right? But travel purpose, can you make it T pillow?
And definitely we can change.
So that brand name also, two different purpose it is catering.
True, sir.
Moment you say I pillow with a particular purpose, the branding is fine.
Yes.
But when you say incubating a pillow for incubating a patient in critical care, same product for the general purpose could be confusing.
Definitely, sir.
So you can think at a T pillow, so that a travel pillow it becomes more interesting.
You can share the royalty with Professor